Procreate is an iPad app that encompasses all the digital art materials in one place. You can create detailed artwork as well as simple pieces because it is so intuitive to use. In this video, we'll cover basic tools, navigation, colour, and using adjustments. There are many different brushes in Procreate. I recommend experimenting with as many as possible. You can get different effects by increasing brush size and opacity. To undo, tap 2 fingers. To redo, tap 3 fingers. To clear canvas, rub 3 fingers side to side. Now let's look at the rubber. To erase, select the rubber icon, but to get the same tool as the brush for a seamless effect, hold down the rubber icon. It should now be the same brush as your paintbrush. Let's talk about the smudge tool. Here are 5 colours I got from clicking the colour dot in the corner, bringing up the colour wheel. The smudge tool does exactly what it says, smudges things. If you hold down the smudge icon, it will be the same brush as your paintbrush. You can use this to create nice gradients and smush colours together. The background of the canvas can be changed by clicking the Layers panel, then Background, and sliding your Apple Pencil around the colour wheel. Double tap in the white and black areas to get pure white and black respectively. Now let's draw something. I'm drawing a green circle on one layer, then some thick green lines on another. I'll put the green circle layer on Alpha Lock and add texture using another brush. On a separate layer, I'll draw 2 red strawberries, one darker than the other. I can't find a good brush for the seeds, so I'll draw these on manually. On another layer, draw the stems. As my green camouflages a bit with the watermelon, I'll add a darker shade. Now I've used Alpha Lock again to add texture to the strawberry. You can reorder layers if you wish. For more drawing tutorials, head over to my Draw with Leah playlist here in the top right. And if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Another great feature is drawing perfect lines and shapes. Draw a line and don't lift your pencil. Hold it until it becomes taut. You can edit this by clicking Edit Line. The same goes for circles, squares and triangles. Draw the whole shape and hold until it forms itself. You can also create arcs. Let's draw a banana to demonstrate. Draw an arc shape and hold it until it forms and says arc created. Drag and drop your colour dot into the shape to fill it. On another layer, I'll add some detail. Now, typography. I'll write fruits on a new layer. I can distort, warp and resize elements by pressing my mouse clicker icon on the top left toolbar. Now actions. The first icon of a wrench on the far left. Click Add, then find an image. I'll use this previously drawn avocado of mine. I'll use the Select tool, draw around it and use a mask to hide the purple background. I'll reorder the layers and put it behind the strawberries. Now I'll add alpha lock to the text to give it some texture. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, be sure to subscribe. See you next time.